people, and this is Clean and Clear Morning Burst. You just put it on your face like this, and so. You just rub it all around like this. The more makeup you have on, the better. And you just rub it around, and you rub it around.
What the fuck are you guys doing?
That's such an awkward moment. And you just keep going. Just act like nobody's there, and then you take the water, and you go. I got some on my nose. And you just keep going till it's all off. All better. All better. Yeah, to my eyes. My towel. Oh, towel. Burning my eyes. Ow.
Fuck, is that true?
And you just